Hi guys, welcome back to my craft space. It's Shauna, and today I'm super excited to share with you my mystery bag unboxing. I was asked by Allison from Allie's Pantry and Crafts to take part in this awesome collaboration with 3 other channels: Ambi's Life, Pamela's Creations, and Allie's Pantries and Crafts. I will be sure to link everything in the description box below. I'm super excited to take part in this two-part video collaboration. So what the deal is we've all sent each other uh, a bag of mystery products, craft products, and we will make the video today of the unboxing, and then we will create a project and do a project share. So it's going to be really fun. This one was sent to me by Pam, and the other girls we each sent to one person, and then we'll do the unboxing, and then we'll do a project share. So let's get into it and see what awesome items I've been sent by Pam from Pamela's Creations. Oh my goodness. So much stuff in here. I love this little bag too. It's so cute. Thanks, Pam. So it looks like she sent me some bells. They're green. That's really cute. Wouldn't be Christmas without the sound of bells. I'm not usually one to get into Christmas so early, but it is November, and I do have a lot of really great Christmas crafty projects coming up. So stay tuned for that, and we will see what we can do. Ooh, this is a reversible sequin sticker, and it's so cool. I can't wait to just touch it. So it looks like if you have it going one way, it looks like this, and if you have it going the other way, it goes the other way. I am all about texture, so this will be really fun to play with. She sent me some trim. It's really cute. And, oh, these are chip art stickers. Really cute. How fun is that? And they're all glittered. I love glitter. There's a little ornament. This is really fun. I love the Christmas tree on the little trailer. How cute. And it looks like a little goodie bag with a window. I love the window. That's so fun. Paper pad. We'll go through that in just a second. We'll keep going through all this fun stuff. Looks like some little bulb lights. That's cute. All the bright, fun colors. Some little gingerbread men from Jilly's Boutique. They've got these cute little rhinestones on there. How fun is that? A bunch of chenille stems or pipe cleaners. This one looks like a tiger tail. That's so pretty. Pom-poms. Nice Christmas colors. Some glitter stickers. Who doesn't love glitter? Look at those snowflakes. Those are so pretty. Very fun. And some cute little bows. All good Christmas colors. And look, they're really sparkly. I love that. And then this really cute paper pad. Looks like a 6x6, and there's 24 sheets in here. This is going to be, let's check it out. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at the coffee cups. I love that pattern. Right up my alley there. I'm glad there's 2 of them. I can see a lot of places where I could use that. So fun. Ooh, the snow globes. So pretty. Turn it this way. You can see both patterns. Lots of fun snowmen. It's gonna be a magical Christmas, it says. Ooh, and the holly, that's pretty. I love these papers that have the strips because you can do so many great things with this. cut them apart. You can make like little gatefolds. Really fun. There's Snow Place Like Home. And some pretty snowflake paper. Ooh, look at this one. All the tags. How fun is that? I can totally see cutting these out and making some fun things. And it's got this nice plaid on the back. And you get 2 of those. Awesome. Ooh, and poinsettias. I love poinsettia pattern stuff. I used to do some floral design, and working with live and fresh poinsettias was not my favorite thing, but they are so beautiful. I love them on pattern. Guys, in the next video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button if you like this video, and we'll see you next time.